With the best two-in-one laptop, you can enjoy the perks of tablet and laptop without the hassle of carrying two devices. As someone who's constantly juggling between the laptop for work and the tablet for leisure, I've been on the lookout for a two-in-one device that doesn't make me feel like I'm compromising on either front. Enter the world of convertible laptops, where you can enjoy the perks of both without the hassle of carrying two devices. Here's my take on the latest two-in-ones that have caught my eye. Lenovo Yoga 7 i14-inch. This one's a gem for the multitaskers among us. Its sleek, all-metal chassis oozes a premium vibe. The keyboard feels just right for long typing sessions, and the precision touchpad is a dream to use. Battery life? Oh, it lasts and lasts. The 12 hours mark in test wasn't an exaggeration. Perfect for those long workdays or endless Netflix binges. But it's not all rosy, the memory's soldered on, and I do wish the USB-C ports were more evenly distributed. HP Spectra X36014. This is for those who love a touch of luxury. The matte black, all-metal design is simply gorgeous. It's one of those devices that gets heads turning. The performance is solid, thanks in part to the Intel Core Ultra CPU. But let's talk about that stunning OLED display and the 9-megapixel webcam. It makes your Zoom calls look like professional broadcasts. Yes, it's a bit pricey, but if you're all about style and substance, this might just be your soulmate in the tech world. Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360. This one's a charmer, especially if you're already in the Galaxy ecosystem. It's like the perfect family member that gets along with everyone. The performance boost from the latest Intel processor is noticeable, and the 16-inch AMOLED display is lovely. While it might not be a head-turner in terms of design, it's the reliable, high-performing member of the family. Microsoft Surface Pro 8. For those who prefer a more detached relationship with their keyboard, the Surface Pro 8 shines as a tablet-first device. It's versatile, with a great display and performance to match. The new haptic slim stylus is a nice touch, though it's a bummer the keyboard still isn't part of the package. Lenovo Duet Chromebook. And for those on a budget, the Lenovo Duet Chromebook stands out. It's not the most powerful, but for basic tasks and portability, it's a steal. It works perfectly for those quick tasks or as a secondary device. Acer Chromebook Spin 714. This one's a great middle ground. It's a solid performer with a nice display and a durable build. Plus, the included dockable UC stylus is a nice addition for the creatives out there. Asus ROG Flow X16. And then there's the Asus ROG Flow X16 for the gamers, offering a unique blend of gaming prowess and convertible convenience. It's pricey, but for those looking for a gaming-friendly two-in-one, it's a strong contender. Each of these devices brings something unique to the table. Whether it's for work, play, or a bit of both, there's a two-in-one out there that'll fit just right into your digital lifestyle.